How to improve Snapchat's camera quality on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video on how you can improve Snapchat camera quality. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll actually need to know is that your Snapchat's camera quality is directly related to your device's camera quality. So if your quality is low on your camera itself, you cannot actually improve your camera quality on your Snapchat. But what you can do is just make sure that you have the updated version of your Snapchat first, and then you can open up your Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left corner, head over to your settings, that is the gear icon on the top right, and after you're here you can scroll down until you find clear data. Tap on it and then clear your lenses. Clear your caches. Tap on clear caches and clear all of your cache. After you clear your cache, your unnecessary data will get deleted, and after you do that you can head back. Now if you cannot actually improve your camera quality, what you can do is you can actually use filters available in Snapchat itself to simply change the way it looks in your camera. Now if you do that, you will actually be able to simply change your quality, not completely, but you can actually change a bit of the quality due to the filters that you choose, and that's the only way you can improve Snapchat quality on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.